Beautiful Lake Dixie, Lake County, Florida. Lots of alligators in this lake, but that doesn't keep Sharon, Will, and Tommy from venturing out on the rough seas. It's kind of windy, as you can see by the cattails blowing. I told them to head south. They went north, so now they're fighting the wind to get back to port. All right, will the canoeists please introduce themselves?
Hey, look at this. Look at the camera, guys. I got sheep wandering too. We're delivering them to the Indian village. Hey, Mom, we're going to get stuck in the weeds. Don't worry. Keep going to the right. We're trying. Ooh. Back on land.
Here the brave canoeists of Cabin 19 launch back into the depths of Lake Dixie.
We're going to fight the alligator.
They fear no alligators. It is snake mating season, though, so watch out for.
All you people watching this, don't watch it. You lose the view. It was a good life. We lived it well.
It was really great being unplugged here.
Please save me, please. It's just being unplugged. We didn't unplug the fish ring, however.
Hey Tommy, raise your oar. Tommy, raise your oar. Peace.
Keep wandering, Shoe. Lead this crew to victory.
Hey bird. Will in the lead there. Little Tommy in the middle. Captain Sharon in the rear. Take a shower like maybe you should do. Hey Will.
We're all filthy.
You enjoying your stay here at beautiful Lake Louisa State Park?
I'm tired.
Can't mommy fast.
How is canoeing?
Good.
Here we are, Lake Dixie. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful sunset from the shores of Lake Dixie.
Gitchy gooey.
Move out a little bit. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Yeah, we'll just edit this right into the video of the canoeist.
And the feel
The brave canoeist, Cabin 19.
Let it rock.
Say hello, Sharon.
This is me camping.
Yeah, roughing it. She hadn't even used her BlackBerry since I don't know what, 1 p.m.
I have not. Well, okay. I was forced to use my phone to call for a canoe rental, and in the process noticed I had an email for work, so I forwarded it to somebody. That's my only plugging in. I'm not.
Yeah, we're not interested in that. Okay, here we go. Let's look back at the sunset.